You're looking for a recipe for healthy granola, how to make easy at home. In this video, I will show you how to make healthy granola easily at home. This simple granola recipe is packed with nutritious ingredients like oats, nuts and honey, making it perfect for breakfast or snack. You can optimize your healthy granola with dried fruits, seeds or even chocolate for an extra treat. Before you start making the granola, preheat the oven to 100 Celsius degrees or 360 Fahrenheit. In a small saucepan over low heat, melt the honey with the oil and vanilla paste. Then in a large bowl, mix the oats with chopped cashew nuts, almonds, hazelnuts and sunflower seeds. Add the warm honey mixture and mix well so that each oat is well coated with the honey mixture. Pour the oat mixture onto a large baking tray. It is best to use the largest possible tray you have and spread evenly in a thin layer. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until nice and crunchy at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit, stirring well every 5 minutes. The goal is for the granola to dry evenly and become crispy. However, if you do not stir the mixture during baking, it might burn and stick together. Once the granola is ready, set aside to cool down. Then add the dried fruits of choice. In this case, we use cranberries and dates, from which we have previously removed any pits and chopped them into small pieces. Products that would change their taste after baking and would become unpleasant to consume, such as dried fruits, chocolate, coconut chips, cinnamon, and others, so put them in their raw state. Store the finished granola in tightly closed container in a dry place for up to 3 months. The ingredients we use are just an idea. You can replace any ingredient with your favorite. The variety is huge. You can add raisins, dried mango, prunes, blueberries, dates, coconut flakes, goji berry, nuts, seeds, chocolate chips, cinnamon, chia, poppy seeds, pumpkin seeds, rice popcorn. Instead of honey, you can use maple syrup, agave syrup, coconut sugar, and you can swap the oil for coconut oil. Thank you for watching. This was everything from today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. That means a lot for us and we hope to see you again in another video. Bye.